how to start freelancing as a student. So I can say there are various platforms for freelancing like Fiverr, Upwork, and all the stuff. So you can check out my previous videos on platforms that you can use for freelancing. Not everyone can do freelancing. So if you are a creative person, so you know graphic designing, you know content writing, you know all this stuff, you know web designing, then you can create a portfolio first. So if you're a web designer, try to maintain your portfolio, whether it might be a GitHub link or to create your own website, just to show them what all the things that you have done so far. And if you did that, just expose it in social media. And if you find any small businesses, I mean, who are just starting recently, just go and tell them like, I'm going to design a website for you in this particular price. Just approach them directly. And this is a skill that you need to develop. So even though you have skills, if you fail to approach people on getting clients, then there is of no use, right? It is of no use to having multiple skills. So develop that thing. And apart from that, so if you're a graphic designer, then maintain a portfolio. It might be an Instagram profile. So I mean, upload all the designs that you have developed so far and put it in a profile and share them with the people that like, I have the ability to design I mean, different graphics, social media posts or logos or YouTube thumbnails, like how I am design my thumbnail. So here, so if you can see, I have designed thumbnails for all my videos. So it is how it works. I mean, it is how one can do freelancing. So first of all, you need to work on developing your skill. That is the primary thing. Don't just, I mean, hear from people about freelancing and just talk about freelancing. If you want to become a freelancer, you need to have a portfolio. That is my first suggestion to everyone out there who are willing to start freelancing. And yes, if once you get freelance clients, once you get your first freelancing project, then ultimately sky is your limit. You can invest, I mean, you can invest your time on freelancing than your full-time job, and you can earn more in freelancing than your full-time job, because there is no limit for freelancing. You can get multiple clients based on the previous work and based on your portfolio. You will demand whatever you want, and you can work in your free time. There are various advantages in freelancing, but before that, you need to work on building your skill. At least one skill is enough, and not every technical skill is good for freelancing, because people will not hire freelancers for technical. Like if they want to build a machine learning project, then they will not hire freelancers. Instead, they go and hire some people for full-time job, and they will get them done. But if they want to design something, or if you're a good writer, so if they want to write blog posts in their blog, then these are the ways that you can be hired. So these content creation, graphic designing, web designs, if they want to get their website done. So if it is a small business, they cannot afford to hire full-time people just to design their website. So in those cases, they will hire you. And if they want a mobile app, so mobile app development, web development, and graphic designing, content creation, and marketing, affiliate marketing, where you can promote other people things only when you have a large following in social media. So these are all the things that you can do with freelancing, but make sure you develop a skill and build a portfolio. So if it's a web designing, create your own website to expose people that you are a designer. And if you're a graphic designer, maintain a portfolio in Instagram profile, or so even you can create your website and put all your work that you have done so far. And the thing is, content writing, where you can just create a portfolio of the previous work that you have done, previous writings that you have done. It is how you do freelancing, and you can develop your skill as a freelancer.